Alright, good day, welcome once again to my channel. Today we'll be looking at a mathematical problem under algebra. We'll be looking at mathematical problem on algebra and we'll be solving the question. Solve for x if x all over 4 equals 16 all over x. How do we go about this? Anytime we see an equation that has a connection equals to as a connection between two variables, what we need to do is cross multiply. This will multiply this and this will multiply this. So x multiplied by x, we have x squared equals to 64 multiplied by 4. 64 multiplied by 4, we have 16 multiplied by 4, we have 64. Here we have x squared equals 64. X squared equals 64. And we are looking for the value of x. So for us to get the value of x, we need to find the square root of both sides. When we find the square root of both sides, so this will cancel this. So we will now be left with x equals 8. But don't forget, our value of x is equals to plus or minus 8. Plus or minus 8. So for this problem, this is the solution. Our x equals plus or minus 8. Alright, let's see another problem under negative exponents. Under negative exponent, let's say this problem 4 1 over 2 raised to power minus 2y equals 64. When we see this kind of a problem, what comes to mind? What is that thing that comes to mind? How are we going to solve it? How are we going to go about it? So here we need to divide both sides by 4. We divide both sides by 4. So when we divide both sides by 4, this one will cancel this, and this one will cancel, and this one will give us 16. So therefore we have 1 all over 2 minus 2y equals 16. So therefore this can also be written as 2 raised to power 2y equals 16. If we follow our law of exponent, this will give us this also. 2 raised to power 2y equals 16. Sorry. So what can we do for us to have equal base? The only thing we can do is to find the multiple of 16. So we have multiple of 16 to be 2 raised to power 4, I think. Yes, 2 raised to power 4. 2 times 2 4, 4 times 2 8, and 8 times 2 16. So when we have that, we have the same base, we can now equate the power. So therefore we have 2y equals 4. 2y equals 4. So for us to find the value of y, we have to divide both sides by 2. So here we have 1, here we have 2. So our y equals 2. Our y equals 2. If you've not subscribed to my channel, subscribe now and turn on the notification button. Thank you.